Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you a full breakdown of my $10,000 investment portfolio, what I'm invested in, why I chose each asset, and the exact strategy I'm following to grow this account over time. If you're looking to build wealth, start investing, or just want ideas for your own portfolio structure, this video is going to walk you step by step through all of it. And if you find value in this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button. It helps the channel a ton. All right, let's jump right in. So let's start with the big picture. My $10,000 portfolio is designed around long-term, diversified growth. The goal isn't to time the market or chase the latest hype. It's to build wealth steadily and consistently. Here's the allocation breakdown. 50% in broad market index funds, 20% in individual stocks, 15 bonds, 10% in real estate exposure, 5% in alternative investments. This mix gives me growth potential, stability, and protection against market drops. Let's start with the backbone of my portfolio, index funds. This is where half of my money, about $5,000, is invested. I hold two main index funds. One total U.S. stock market index fund, total international index fund. Why? Because index funds give instant diversification across thousands of companies, and historically, they outperform most active investors. This part of my portfolio is completely hands-off. I add to it regularly through what's called dollar cost averaging, which just means investing the same amount on a schedule, regardless of whether the market is up or down. Individual stocks. Next up, individual stocks. This is about 20%, or $2,000. Now, picking stocks isn't necessary for most investors, but I enjoy researching companies, and I keep this part intentionally small. My picks are focused on strong long-term fundamentals, not short-term hype. Right now, the stocks I hold are: one tech company with strong cash flow, one consumer staples company for stability, one dividend-paying utility company for passive income. The key here is balance. If you invest in individual stocks, keep them to a small portion of your portfolio unless you're experienced, and even then, diversify. Bonds. Let's talk bonds. $15% of my portfolio, or $1,500, goes into bond ETFs. Bonds are the shock absorbers of a portfolio. They help smooth out volatility. When the stock market dips, bonds often stay flat or even rise. My bond allocation includes a total bond market ETF, a short-term treasury ETF for stability. This helps protect my portfolio without sacrificing too much growth. Real estate exposure. Another 10% of my portfolio, 1,000, is in real estate, but not physical real estate. I use REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs allow me to invest in things like apartment buildings, office space, warehouses, and even data centers without actually buying property. They also provide solid dividends, which adds a bit of passive income to the portfolio. Alternatives. For the final 5% or $500, I keep a small slice for alternative investments. For me, this includes things like a tiny amount of precious metals, a small crypto position. This part is intentionally small because alternatives can be volatile. But having a little exposure adds diversification and potential upside. My strategy. Now let's talk strategy, how I actually manage this portfolio. I follow 5 key rules. 1. Invest consistently using dollar cost averaging. 2. Avoid timing the market. I invest regardless of market swings. 3. Rebalance once per year to maintain my target percentage. 4. Keep fees low by sticking mostly to index funds. 5. Stay long-term focused. My time horizon is 10 plus years. This approach has helped me stay calm during market drops and steadily grow my wealth. And that's the full breakdown of my $10,000 investment portfolio. If you're building your own, the key is to find a balanced strategy that matches your risk level and your long-term goals. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more investing and wealth-building videos. And drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're building your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.